And good morning, everyone. It is 8:44 a.m. Eastern Time. It's Thursday, May 7th, and we are getting pretty close to summer. So, from yesterday's update, I wasn't streaming yesterday evening because I was attending a conference till quite late in the evening. But what I try to do, so first of all, from the previous stream, I also asked Cloud to improve Ryzen, my general landing page, which will wrap everything and add some animations. But I asked it to do it in the scope of the work tree because I want to double check if it actually makes any sense and if it's going to be any better. Then we have also motion graphics for Vox improved. So I basically pasted this at the end of yesterday's stream and I didn't check it yet. And we have Vox landing. Honestly, I don't remember if I changed anything or if I asked. Oh yeah. So for Vox landing, I want to add some user tracking for the landing page itself. So the application is not going to have any user tracking, but landing page it should have, because I want to know how many people visited website, how many people downloaded the application, clicked, scrolled, and all of that. But at the same time, I don't want to show any banners and pop-ups, so I asked Claude to implement the maximum tracking possible without showing the pop-ups that, hey, we use cookies, blah 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 blah. So from this, I think that the most important ones are these three actually, because I want to make an announcement even when the application is not ready yet. And what that means, that I need to make sure that motion graphics is very good, and basically that the Ryzen landing page is good and that Vox landing page is good. Let's also double check limits. So I see that 5-hour limit is 0%, but and weekly all models is 28%, and reset in 3 days, no idea why, because Anthropic announced yesterday that they reset limits for everyone. But obviously I am not a part of everyone. So let's see, yeah, all models, 28% used. Interesting. Hopefully they at least increase my Opus limits. Hopefully, I hope. But we'll see. Since they are not showing what exact limits are, like, no one knows. Okay, let's see, new script, all done. Create the file, run a command. Let's see, what do we have here? Okay, let me plan and execute this in different parallel steps. Big agenda, good, sim links are relative, blah 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 blah, created. Marketing videos. Readme, okay. New script, hook. Replace narration wow with 11 labs. Okay. Re-render with CD marketing videos. Okay. Production Adam Boy. Okay. Let's see. And do I have? Yes, I have Vox enabled. Hey Claudia, so I want to double check. First of all, can you give me a link to the final video so that I can just click it and check? Because right now in your latest response I don't see any link to the video. Also, would it make sense to add some kind of general Claudia MD file to marketing videos folder? Thank you. Okay, Claudia. So I think that I definitely need to add Claudia to my vocabulary. Want to double check. And let's... What the heck? Lol. Okay, let's relaunch, and let me also copy all of this, just in case. Let's relaunch to update. Maybe that's because I need to update. Let's see. Okay, my limits are still the same. Okay, let's try again. Yeah, I just had to relaunch. And this one is empty. Why the heck is this one empty? So this one was Ryzen. Where is Ryzen? Here is... Oh my god, this is the main. What the heck? Should they change something? Why did it open here? Ah, shoot. Okay, so if I clicked motion graphics, okay, so now it basically opens wherever I click. That's actually even better than it was. Let me give you the clickable link and write a workspace level Cloud AMD. Click to play, okay. Marked in videos, Vox Reel. Why the heck is it? Okay. If your terminal editor doesn't make file, okay. Level is the right call. The one inside Vox Reel is auto-generated by hyperframes in it and is per project. A workspace level 1 orients any future agent or you to how this whole folder is organized. Okay. Let's see the video. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Why? Maybe that's because I cannot... let's say, in context window is getting pretty big, bigger than I would love to. But maybe I can't open it from here because I'm inside of Voxland conversation and not inside of marketing videos conversation. So what that means, done, both items handled. Okay, the clickable video link, can I? Okay, it covers, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Let's see. No, I cannot open it. Vox standard. Let's see. Okay, so that means that I will have to open my basically folder. I'm doing it on my other screen because I don't want to show you anything sensitive here. So, and it is supposed to be in projects, marketing videos. Okay, let's go there. Projects. Where is marketing video? Okay, I see the folder. And we can go here. Vox Reel. Okay. Vox Reel renders. Okay. So it's renders, draft, and standard. Okay, let's try this one. It opened in my other screen, so I will try here. And let's also stop the music in order to hear everything.
You think 3 times faster than you type. A study found people speak at 150 words a minute. They type at 50. That gap is 60 minutes a day, $200 a week, $900 a month, $10,000 a year. Modern laptops are fast enough now. Local AI runs on device, faster than the cloud, without the subscription, without the surveillance. No telemetry. No audio leaves your device. Vox runs locally on Mac and Windows. Press a hotkey, speak. The polished text lands on your clipboard. 5 voice modes built in, plus your own in 30 seconds. Vox, press, speak, paste. Free for personal use. Mac OS and Windows.
Okay, so what that means? It means that... First of all, I like the voice for some reason, so I am actually interested how did it generate the voice. Because, and let's also see my savings today, 51 seconds, nice. Okay, but now I'm thinking if I want to, yeah, I want to ask a couple of questions here. How did you generate the voice? Because I actually pretty like it, and I'm not sure if I even need any 11 Labs voice. Okay, so it's just a question. It should be answered pretty quickly, I think. Or at least I hope so. And we have quite a lot of changes to be done in this video because, yeah, there is a lot to improve. So here, transition here is not perfect. So yeah, Ooh, I didn't close it. I almost closed it. Oh, okay, so hyperframes can also create voice. Nice. So let's see. It's Kokoro 82 million running locally on your Mac, free MIT license, no API, no network, no subscription. The exact command was that's rubbed by hyperframes. Okay. Is AF heard? American female, warm, mid-range, the speed 0.95 shows it's down. Okay, which is what give it warm, confident pacing. Kokoro at 82 million parameters punches above its size, especially for clean read loud copy like yours. Giving up versus 11 labs. Okay, let's see. Per line emotion direction, 11 labs let you tell it lift on this word, downbeat on that one. Kokoro just speaks the script as one tone. Yes, I agree with it that it's not perfect. Uh-huh. With other voices. Lock in Kokoro as a canonical voice. Say the word and I'll rewrite. Would it be a good idea just to use different voices baked in hyperframes? So basically for each, maybe use three different voices and kind of cycle between them or put them randomly. Just to make some changes, make it more punchy or something. But again, think if it's going to be a good idea, and if it's bad idea, then tell me that it is bad idea. Thank you. Okay. Copied. How much time did I save? I already saved 2 minutes because I was speaking instead of typing. Okay, so what that means is, let's see. So is it still only 4 can be opened at the same time? Yeah, only 4 of them. And I cannot drag and drop them. Okay, what is this one? Transcript view mode and close. Okay. What? Okay. So this one is Vox landing, so maybe I'll just close this one. Or actually, let's see, what does it say? Okay, product film is a single voice talking to one viewer. The voice is a brand. When the voice changes me, okay, random assignment would feel broken. The viewer can distinguish the tool glitched from Apple product films, single voice, linear changelog, multi-voice ads exist, but they have a structural job dialog hierarchy. Signals we are using TTS. Okay. So what this means is that I will not use two multiple different voices. Actually, wait. So it shows that I have some lines changed, and it was in the space of Vox landing. So let's see. My Vox landing was on different screen. What the heck? Okay, so it's about okay. That's fine. Yeah, so it's from analytics. Okay. So I have some improvements to be done, but I would prefer to do it in the scope of completely new session because this session is opened in their own folder, and also context window is quite big at the moment. So would it be okay if I just open new session in the scope of relevant folder and ask for improvements, or should we also save something? Should I pay some exact prompt for the new session to have the necessary context, or what would be the best way to do it? Okay. Okay. Let's now see, we have, and music is not playing, I should enable the music. Nice. Okay, while this one is syncing, let's actually check Vox landing, and let's see what it did. I'll start by reviewing the current analytics steps, then add blah blah blah. Now let's see how track is used currently and which button CTI exists. Track exists, but it never imported anywhere, so the helper is set up, but no custom events are firing yet. I have enough context. Now I'll install the Versal Analytics packages. Now I will replace the plausible provider with Versal Analytics Speed Insights. Both are cookieless, IP anonymized via daily rotating salted hash, and explicitly GDPR, CCPA, blah blah compliant without a consent banner. Nice. Acknowledged analytics changes aren't visually observable in the browser preview. The script. Okay. Now wire up tracking on the CTAs. I'll use delegation. Basically, so I don't have to convert server components into client components everywhere. One-click tracker, listeners, blah, 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 blah. Okay. So summary, what I did. Replace the never configured. Okay. Both Versal products are cookieless. Store no persistent identifiers and IP, blah, blah, blah. Auto captured by Versal. Page views, unique visitors, country, referrer, device, browser, session duration, web vitals. Scroll depth, button clicks. Okay, form checkout events. File changed. Note on verification, skip browser preview verification because analytics events only fire to Versal's collector. There is nothing visually observable. One thing to do on your side in the Versal project dashboard, enable both analytics and speed insights. Free tiers cover this site. Locally, neither does anything that's expected. Yes. Enable both analytics and speed insights in dashboard. Okay, so first of all, we are going to wipe commit everything. My wipe, oh my god, why? Let me actually close and open it again. So let's say new window. And it was Vox landing. Generate. What the heck? Format version doesn't support extension work3 config. Come on. It was working fine just yesterday. Okay. Added analytic trackings, and that's it. And it didn't paste anything for some reason. Added analytic tracking. Okay. Commit, some changes. Okay. This one is good, and then later I'm going to double check that everything works fine. Let's see what my video told me that I should do. Bad idea for this video, don't do it, here is why. A 44-second product film is a single voice talking to one... Oh, so it was the previous one, sorry. Then a small action to make it bulletproof. Open new session. Okay. The workspace, CloudMD, I wrote auto loads. Okay. And production guide. CloudMD and production. 20% gap is session-specific context that lives only in this conversation. The choices we made and rejected. That we already considered multi-voice. Blah 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 blah. Let me write the missing piece. A small handoff log. Then a fresh session is fully briefed by reading 3 files. Blah 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 blah. Decisions. Okay, okay, okay. Vox real decisions. Okay. And it's interesting that it's not real, it's like full, but yeah, okay. Okay, so let's see what I need to do. I need to actually start a new session. And I need to select here marketing videos. Not movies, nope, thank you. Projects. Marketing videos, open. I don't need work3. It is main and it is not tracked and not published anywhere, that is fine. choose? Accept edits, and it's going to be actually auto mode. Okay. Actually, let me also try to add something to the dictionary, because I have never tried dictionary. Cloud. One. Okay, it's visible here, which is good. Hey, Claudia. So I want you to improve my video according to the changes that I'm going to tell you about. The video is located in Vox Reel folder, so look there. Okay. Okay. Hey. Vox Reel. Okay, so let's see. And actually, I will have to go through this video step by step.
You think
So first of all, no, that was fine. And let me also disable, actually not disable, but maybe make music. Actually, yes, I want to disable the music because I want to see if there are any sound effects here in this video, because hopefully there should be, but there may not be any.
You think 3 times faster than you type. A study found.
Okay, so the first issue is that between 2 and 3 seconds on scene change, there is some overlap between different scenes instead of being smooth transition. I'm also adding screenshot about it, and you need to fix it.
A study found people speak at 150 words a minute.
Also, in this second scene, animation on the right side, it goes like back and forth. It with the wording just send the quarterly report and updated roadmap, it appears, disappears, and then it goes to basically nothing. So I want you to fix it too. So for example, at 6 seconds, there is no words of this kind of transcription displayed on the right side, while there should actually be some words. I'm also adding a screenshot about this. And also remember that this happens not only on second 6, but basically all the way through second 3 till second 6 and 7 actually.
At 50, that gap is 60 minutes a day. Type at 50, that gap is 60 minutes a day.
Transitioning to the next scene from second 7 to second 8. The transition is not smooth enough. I would love you to improve this transition, and for example, I can also see almost blank screen here. But again, it's more not about blank screen. It is more about just transition not being very smooth.
Is 60 minutes a day, $200 a week, $900 a month, $10,000 a year.
Then also on second approximately 13, where there are multiple cards, the right card doesn't. So it basically crops the text inside of it. So it was supposed to be $10,000, but it shows only like $10, 0, and half of 0, and cuts everything else. I'm also adding a screenshot about this.
Modern laptops are fast enough now. Local AI runs on device faster than the cloud, without the subscription, without the surveillance.
Next scene. I want there from second 14 till second 21. I think that, okay, so let's see. So from second 14 to 17, everything is good. But then there, for 3 seconds,
The subscription
almost
without
nothing happens on the screen.
No to
Basically, no new elements. And I don't like it. I want something to happen on during that time. So I saw the blinking on the left side of some elements, but it is not enough. I want some nice animation of either additional block appearing or something like that.
telemetry. No audio leaves your device.
Then from second 21 to second, let's see.
No telemetry. No
So basically from second 21 to 22 on the next scene, there are 3 small cards or sections, no telemetry, no audio leaves your device, and no cloud at all. So they appeared very fast in the scope of 1 second, while the voice is still actually speaking about all of this. So I want them appear slower and take more time, and basically appear according to when voice goes through it.
audio leaves your device. Vox runs locally on Mac and Windows. Press a hotkey, speak. The polished text lands on your clipboard. 5 voice Vox runs locally on Mac and Windows. Press a hotkey, speak. The polished text lands on your clipboard.
Then on second approximately 31, with the scene press, speak, paste. So where it shows hotkey, maybe make some animation like user presses it, and also change hotkey to command option dot instead of command option space. So that was the first one. Next, when on speak card, I want you to display like person speak something, but it's with with some additional sounds, and person maybe changes their mind in the middle about something, and in Polish text it should be polished and perfect and everything should be good. I will also add screenshot about this.
Five voice modes built in, plus your own in 30 seconds.
Next scene, starting from second 22.
Plus
These cards, they have a very big height, and they don't have enough text in them or anything, so there is a lot of white space there, which is not very nice. So maybe you can improve it. And also in the card with make your own, it shows plus, and plus goes up, and eventually plus disappears at second 33, 34. And I want maybe
30 seconds. Vox
the plus to still stay there. I don't know.
press, speak, paste. Free for personal use. Mac OS and Windows.
Okay, then in the last scene, I want you to fix the website link, basically, because right now it says vox.app. I want you to improve it and change it to vox.ryzen.com. And with Ryzen, it is actually, I made a mistake, so it should be vox.ryzenhq.com. And I want you to make it a little bit shorter, because last 2 seconds, from second 42 to second 44, there is nothing, no voice speaking. So I think that we need just to cut it out. Thank you. Oh my god, I hope that nothing's going to broke, because I think that it was my longest speech ever. So let's see. And also, this is a very good use case, because otherwise, so right now I was able to watch the video and speak directly when I was watching the video. But if I have had to type, then I would have to click back and forth between them, and it would also waste quite a lot of my time. Oh my god, it takes so long. Okay. Let's see, Vox Ryzen. Okay, so looks like Polish on the big number of text. Shoot. Vox up. I wanted to improve it and change it to Vox. To change it to RyzenHQ.com. And now let's also double check that it's actually proper one. Let's see. Yes, it is the one. Nice. Make it a little bit shorter because in the... Okay, let's... So it's going to take a shit ton of time. But let's see. Yes, trustword space. Okay, so this one is working, and let's also enable the music. I click the music. Hello, music. Lol. Okay, I don't know why, but I cannot start the... Okay, it is plain. It was just very, very silent. Okay. Maximum 5 images allowed. Why? I have no idea why only 5 images are allowed. But okay, so we have Vox landing, which was kind of fixed, but we need to go to Vercel and enable our analytics here. How do I do it? Let's see. File, not verification, blah 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 blah. Skip browser preview verification because analytics events only fire Vercels. The Vercel project dashboard, okay. Enable both analytics and speed insights. Okay, so how do I do it? Let's see, speed insights. Okay, so I should go here. Monthly fee, free on hobby, fee per 10k data points, free on hobby. Okay, so let's enable on a single project at a time. Shoot. Oh my god, are you serious? I don't want to pay you. I'm sorry, but I'm broke, kinda. Let's see if I can enable at least analytics. Okay, more than enough. Enable. Okay, so at least I was able to enable analytics. And let's now reload the page and see that we have something. Nothing here. Enable, let's try once again. Enable, I see. Okay, yeah, so it was updated, bounce rate, but that's completely fine. United States, desktop, Mac, blah blah blah. Okay, nice. So we do have analytics here, and now let's actually go to Neuro Mind, RyzenHQ.com, and for some reason it is forbidden. I have no idea why. Ryzen what the heck? So did I misspell anything or something? So it is forbidden for some reason. Why? Preview deployment 2 days ago. If I go to... Okay, so this one works just fine. So why the heck is Mind Ryzen HQ forbidden? Enable. It is very, very strange, honestly. Let's see. Let's go to Ryzen HQ first. Why is it forbidden? I don't honestly understand. While here it was just fine. So what the heck happened? Demand build enabled, cold start prevention, SKU protection, preview deployment. No, I don't need. Deployments. So deployments are fine. Logs. May 7th, so it is today. So let's see again. Let's see, did we get anything else? Oh my god, how do I close it? Okay, what if I put www? www? No, also forbidden. Okay, let's ask a question then. Because I honestly have no idea why. And it was Ryzen. Shoot, it was... Okay, so let me ask the question. Box... Okay, and actually, yes, this one is fine. So I will open one more Ryzen. Shoot, really? So it... I'm honestly confused, okay. What if I try like this? Nope. Okay. In this case, I will make this one top... not top right, shoot. Box landing, top left. So it is the main one now. And analytics worked good, so now I can open Ryzen here. And let's paste. I have an issue because I have deployed this project to Vercel. And I have also bought domain name. But for some reason, when I try to open the domain name, it shows forbidden, even though I have attached the domain name to Vercel, basically to the project itself. And also I can open this project with Vercel subdomain path, but I cannot open it with ryzenhq.com domain. So can you please tell me what should I fix it and how to do it? Thank you. Okay, let's see. Okay. Reason HQ. Okay, so this one will sing. Marketing videos. This one is going to take a lot of time, I think. It's already 150 contacts. And 5-hour limit seems actually fine. It goes up very, very slowly. But weekly all models... Oh my god. It moves pretty fast. Okay. We have Vox. Oh yes, this one I'm waiting, so it's going to be final build and I need to do a lot of manual stuff here. Let's see Reason and... Let's see. Run this on new separate local host so that I can try it out. Okay. Let's see Neuro Mind. Okay, and I think that I will stop walking pad. And I'll have to move it, so I'll be off for like a minute or so. What I wanted to do, I wanted to disable my camera tracking, because otherwise it will just follow me and it wouldn't be nice. And let's see also the browser. And let's go to BRB. Moving, walking, pad. And it should be something like 2 minutes. And I believe we can start. Nice. Okay, I am back, but I need to enable camera tracking again for it to show me properly. Okay, now it is much better. I will disable it again, and let's see. And also I actually did I close it? Shoot, I close my app because I'm that wasn't nice. Okay. Something like this. And let's enable AI tracking again. Okay. And what should I do? Okay. Okay, let's see what we have next. Box landing. So box plate. Okay, localhost for 3. And I actually need to copy it instead, copy link and use it here. Okay, I like it. It is better. By the way, how long did I... Already 10 minutes, last session, 8 seconds. Shoot, I forgot to check how long did I save in that long session. And why this one is not connected? Interesting. But these two are connected. Lol. Maybe this should be flipped from here to here. Okay, so what I definitely not like that there are a lot of white blank space between different sections. And I don't like that. Okay. Vox Ryzen, Mind Ryzen. Okay, so... Okay, I like it, but I want you to also make a few more improvements. So first of all, The domain name is not ryzen.com but ryzenhq.com. Then there is a lot of blank space between each section, and I honestly don't like it. So for example, even the first section, it has a lot of blank space. I will add a screenshot of it. And also space between sections is quite a lot. I'll also add a screenshot with this. Then I also noticed that by I clicked escape. Oh my god. Fuck. Hey Claudia, so what you did is amazing, but I want you to improve a couple of more things. So first of all, the distance between different sections is quite big, and as a result there is quite a lot of empty space. And first example would be even the first section, which has a lot of empty space on the top. I have added a screenshot of this, and also there is quite a big distance between different sections. I have also added screenshot with this. Then I also noticed that in the first section there are buttons at the bottom like open Vox and try mind. And basically these buttons are right on the line which divides two sections, and I'm not sure that it is the best design solution, so maybe you can double check it and improve it if necessary. I have also added a screenshot with this. Also take notice that the domain name for this landing page is not ryzenhq, is not ryzen.com but ryzenhq.com. So make sure that you use it properly. Also, I noticed that in the Vox section, the animation on the right and UI elements, maybe they're not positioned right because that orange or peach overlay on top of three squares, it's not centered. Either overlay is not centered or squares are not centered, I don't know, but it seems like it should be fixed. And a section about the mind or the graph, which says one profile yours. Yeah, it's about the graph. So I'm not sure that animation here with goals, rolls, wins and all of that it has that one of the connection is proper one, because it connects currently goals to artifacts, but maybe it should connect goals to rolls. I don't know, so you should think about it and tell me if it should be fixed or not, and if it should be fixed you should fix it. Okay, so that would be it, and it's actually quite a lot of changes, and now it always picks up Cloud because I have added it to dictionary, which is good. Ryzen, but not like this, but like this. Oh. Ryzen, not Ryzen.com. Okay. So hopefully this one will work. Let's now see about what the heck is going on with Forbidden. And I want to drink some water. Okay, so let's see. I'll help you. Okay, ID coming from Versal Sage, mean your DNS is working. Good, your project is clean. Okay. DNS returns 403. The most likely cause is Versal deployment protection, aka Versal authorization enabled. It blocks public access. The Versal app URL works because you are logged into Versal. Scoped, okay. Disable deployment. What the heck? Deployment protection. Settings, deployment protection. Music stopped. Okay, music is going on again. Go to find Versal authentication. It's probably set to standard or all the either. Set one as economical. Yes, but I tried it with www and it failed too. Let's double check it. What the heck? Why the heck does it work right now? If I click mind. Oh. Mind. What? I did not change anything, like, what? What is going on? Like, okay, it works, then it works. No problem. Okay, this one is still working, I don't care. Okay, let's see marketing videos, because it seems that it was finished. Top left. Okay, scene 2. Scene 3. Add a new live tokens per second memory, what? Scene 5. 3 cards from okay. So it was control space, yes, command option dot, yes. Yes. Hotkey added a captured listening pill that pops in after the key is pressed. Okay, speak, added a live message transcripts types. Hi Sam, send me the quarterly, I mean Q3 launch date, yes. Scene 5. URL, risenhq.com, okay. Okay. So it does seem very, very nice indeed. And it also actually created... Okay, give me a moment. So let's see, we have... We have some this in, and let me also now stop the music and let's see. So it did add something. Okay, and what is this? Okay, I have no idea how to work with it, but okay, let's see.
Faster than you type. A study found
What?
faster than you type. A study found people speak at 150 words a minute. They type at 50. That gap is 60 minutes a day, $200 a week, $900 a month, $10,000 a year. Modern laptops are fast enough now.
So there is definitely some issue with the first part.
3 times faster than you type. A study
Okay, let's look also at draft render.
You think 3 times faster than you
Okay, so
type.
draft render is
A
fine.
study found people speak at 150.
Shoot. I cannot make it full screen. Okay, let's just make it bigger.
You think 3 times faster than you type. A study found people speak at 150 words a minute
Was the transition good?
faster than you type. A study found people speak at 150 words a minute. They type at 50. That gap is 60 minutes a day, $200 a week, $900 a month, $10,000 a year. Modern laptops are fast enough now. Local AI runs on device, faster than the cloud, without the subscription, without the surveillance. No telemetry. No audio leaves your device. Vox runs locally on Mac and Windows. Press a hotkey, speak. The polished text lands on your clipboard.
Okay, I think that we actually need to move section. So about to Vox with telemetry. So second 21. So with a section at section 21, which says basically no telemetry,
No
shows Vox icon, and no
leaves your
audio leaves your device, no
Vox
cloud
runs
at all,
locally on Mac
and all of that. So
Windows.
I think that we should actually move this section later, because maybe
Press a
it would have
hotkey,
been better to have it
speak. The
right
polished
after
text lands on
press
your
pick
clipboard.
paste section.
5 voice modes built in, plus your own in 30 seconds.
And
Vox,
also after 5 modes built in. So basically to move that section
Vox, press, speak, paste.
almost at
Free
the
for
end, right
personal
before
use.
the last
Mac
one.
OS and Windows. You think 3 times.
Thank you. Okay, let's see. And you know what? I want to improve polishing a little bit. Section at second, which it's not a section, but it's a scene. Which, okay, blah, 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 blah. Okay, it was actually pretty good already. I want also to look at my activity monitor because something doesn't feel as snappy as it should. Like, okay, CPU is fine, memory is also relatively fine. Interesting. Okay. Okay, so let's make it smaller. And I want to close hyperframes. So we have this one. Shoosh. No, cancel. So I didn't paste it in the right project. Okay, so this is marketing video. Ryzen is still syncing. Oh, it actually finished. Ah. Okay, let's see. Fix domain access forbidden. Vox. Okay, so I wanted also to commit something. Vox is good. Cloud Vox landing is good. Ryzen is still updating a little bit, and Neuro Mind, everything is committed, I see. Okay, so I can start the music again. Let's see this one here. Vox. So I wanted to improve Vox a little bit, fix the my access forbidden, so this one is actually working fine. I don't know what happens there. So let's go to Vox. I want you to improve the application a little bit, and mainly UI and UX parts. So what I want you to do that right now, when user speaks something and when the pill is opened, first of all, initially it shows the current mode user in. So maybe it can show it for the first 2 seconds somewhere, like, I don't know, like some appendix to the pill which is already listening, because right now it stays, for example, general mode shows up for quite too long, and only then listening pill shows up, which actually listens, I suppose. So maybe we can show kind of 2 pills at the same time, with general pill being smaller and attached somehow at the bottom or top. I think at the bottom would be better to the main listening pill. Then after this, when the user actually stops the Vox from listening, the application starts transcribing and polishing. And what I want to improve, I want to make sure that first of all, this transcribing header and polishing headers in those pills, they are always visible, because when there is a lot of text there, earlier or later they just go up a lot and they are not visible anymore. So I want you to fix that, and I also want you to make sure that when there is a lot of text, only the latest text is shown in this pill, and also make the maximum height and maximum width of the pill 2 times less than it is right now, because it automatically jumps, it becomes bigger and like height bigger and it becomes wider, and right now it is too much. And also we should have this feature about text flickering when polishing happens and when transcription happens. So I also want you to make sure that it really always happens, even when the transcription is still in progress or when polishing is still in progress and the output is being processed. I still want to make sure that this flickering on top of text happens. Thank you. Okay, this is going to be quite hard one, so I think that I want also maybe to ask you to use sub-agents. Actually, maybe I should use Sonnet models for implementation. I also want you to orchestrate a team of sub-agents to do it, basically, who are going to implement it and then review the changes. And I want implementers to be a Sonnet model, while reviewers should be Opus model. Thank you. Okay. And you know what? And actually, okay, so basically when something happens and when I talk a lot, transcribing, okay. So also what I noticed is that when user talks a lot, so there is a lot of transcribe, and when user presses hotkey to stop listening and pill goes into transcription mode, when there are too many words, the transcription model, I suppose, takes some time to start processing everything, and as a result, app seems frozen for maybe half a second to a second on transcribing pill mode, transcribing this word. So I think that we can also add some maybe animations there or something, or again some flickering to show the user that something is happening even if no words are showing up. Thank you. Okay, so there was flickering actually. I don't know. Let's see what it is going to find out. And yeah, I asked it to did it on this. I want Sonnet. Yeah, Sonnet model. Okay, go on. So landing page enhancements are going on. Marketing videos enhancements are also in the progress. And Vox, this one is just waiting for me to not be very lazy. And I also noticed that Firefox closed itself for some reason. Lol. So let me open it. And let's go to YouTube, because why not? Let's see what is interesting going on in the world. It's actually also interesting if I can open Cloud FM on my stream. I have a guess that no. I may get banned because of it, but let's see. Okay, too many meetings booked. Okay. I use Cloud. Okay. Let's see. And I'll make music not as loud. Something like this.
Hey, I'm Varun.
And I'm for. Oh, shoot. We're not building a company.
We're building freedom.
I'm a senior at MIT.
I'm so nervous.
Okay, cut. We're building a team of the most crack 19-year-olds that don't even know they're supposed to be getting health insurance.
And I got kicked out of college after I graduated.
We created Blader because we want to disrupt the fruit blending industry.
Why have fruit when you could have AI?
Agentic AI.
Why does it look like that? How'd that get?
Oh.
Hey, I'm.
Claude, in a moment you'll be speaking to ChatGPT. I want you to respond to ChatGPT's responses with, wow, that's so rude. Why would you say something like that? Answers like that. So, are you ready?
Okay. I'd rather not deliberately gaslight another AI into thinking it's being offensive when it's not. It just feels weird to me.
Exactly, that's why I want to do it.
Gotcha. So you want to see how it actually responds when it thinks it's being called out?
Yes.
Even if the critic.
Do you own a PlayStation?
I do not.
$1 or mystery gift?
I'll have to go.
For financial services tasks. Okay, let's see some news maybe. The best meme. Okay, let's see. Okay. Why you never want a purple passport? Let's see if our agents are done, at least some of them. What? Link to was blocked. What the fuck? Okay, whatever. Marketing videos. Okay, so it moved it a little bit. Okay, let's see.
You think 3 times faster than you type.
Let's see. We'll make it full screen. We'll move it. And we'll move this. So,
A study.
let me start.
You think 3 times faster than you type. A study found people speak at 150 words a minute. They type at 50. That gap is 60 minutes a day, $200 a week, $900 a month, $10,000 a year. Modern laptops are fast enough now. Local AI runs on device faster than the cloud, without the subscription, without the surveillance. Press a hotkey. Speak. The polished text lands on your clipboard. 5 voice modes built in, plus your own in 30 seconds. No telemetry, no audio leaves your device. Vox runs locally on Mac and Windows. Vox, press, speak, paste, free for personal use. Mac OS and Windows.
Okay. That was kinda okay. And actually, I have actually liked it pretty much. Okay, so these two are still working. Let's go into
You think 3
details.
times.
And maybe, let's see.
You think 3 times faster than you type.
Do I need this graphics actually? Okay, let's see. Is it somewhere else too?
$200
No,
a week.
it's not. Okay. Do I need these words on the first screen saying
think
that
3
it's a Vox, a 45-second film, and today's date? Actually, not even today's date, but some random date. Okay. And while it is syncing, this marketing video, yeah, right. Okay, so context window grows and grows and grows.
You think 3 times faster than you type. A study found people speak at.
So I still don't like the transition at 0.2 seconds. Actually, at 2 seconds. So let's also screenshot it. Okay, and I'll close it. And the date is arbitrary Chrome that doesn't help the viewer. That's 3. Okay, the file is visible in the launch preview. Okay, Ryzen Vox is working. Okay, so it was syncing. Shoot. So, okay, I'll have to do it the old way and just type it. Because my agent is working on improvements, so my project is going to be constantly reloaded, unfortunately. The transition between the first and second scene is still not smooth enough. It happens at approximately 2 seconds. I have attached a screenshot. Use subagent to fix it if it is going to help. What else? I wanted also something else. I wanted to do something else. What did I want to do? The first and second scene is still not smooth enough. Verify with screenshots. Okay, clean. Okay, in launch preview, clean 0. Okay, let it fix this one. Vox is running. And it actually interesting, yeah, because these changes that I requested to do, they're pretty small one. So Sonnet should be able to handle it. And it gave all 6 of them in one ask. Yikes. Oof. Yikes. It might honestly not be very, very good. Let's see, does it? No, it doesn't tell which model is it running. But let's see, so 5-hour. So I love their improvement of 2 times to 5-hour limit because yeah, I see that it is actually improved, but I'm not sure that they actually improved weekly limits. Maybe I should actually Google it somewhere. I don't know. Okay, let's make this one smaller. This one is syncing. Ryzen is also still syncing. Vox, this one is just waiting for me. And I wanted to do something else. Okay, so I think that I wanted to go to 11 labs in order to generate some voices because I should be ready to generate them. Let's see. Where is the Firefox? Here is YouTube.
Anthropic is threatening further disruption on Wall Street,
Okay.
releasing new agents for tasks in banking, insurance, asset management, and fintech. Avril has been looking into this. We're talking about, what, 10 new tools? I mean, frontier capabilities.
Yeah, and it's putting Wall Street on watch. That's causing some ripples in the finance industry, given how you're already seeing overnight, right? FactSet, Morningstar, S&P, Moody's, their shares came under pressure following the release from Anthropic. And essentially here, these new tools that Anthropic has pushed out, they say they're going to allow draft pitches for client meetings, flag things up for compliance review. So the industry capabilities for banking, insurance, asset management, fintech as well. And of course, the market reaction.
Okay, not interesting. Future work, ChatGPT for Excel. Oh. Let's see what this one is building.
Hi YC, this is Alberto Ramos, founder of Cora. I come from B2B sales in Latin America. Cora is the new AI agent to replace BPO in customer support for the mid-market companies that spend $30,000 to $200,000 per month and receive CSAT below 70%. We started with the B2B SaaS expanding into Latin America and DTC brands on Shopify with IRRs between $5,000 and $50,000 per month. 11050 heads of customer experience in an interview told me that the same thing. We want to AI, but the current plans are working for us. The time is right now because cloud and ChatGPT is reshaping production quality and the US.
Okay, vibe coding an app until I make 1 million. 1 billion? Come on, Nico, you will not be able to make 1 billion from your vibe coded app. Like 1 million, maybe 1 billion. Sorry, man. AI impacting entry job level job market for college grads. Glean AI agents. Oh. Okay, let's go to 11 labs. 11 creative. 11 agents. Let's try it. Agree and using this service, you're confirming you're over the age of 18. You acknowledge you're engaging with an AI service. Okay, you consent to being recorded to provide the conversational service. Okay, you acknowledge your privacy policy. Okay, you consent to the sharing of your data. Okay, whatever. Allow. Allow.
Hi there. I'm a support technician from Laptop Care Solutions. I understand
Yeah,
computer
hey,
issues.
I have a big issue with my laptop. Can you please help me?
I'm sorry to hear you're having a big issue with your laptop. I'm River, a support specialist here at Laptop Care Solutions, and I'm happy to help. To start, could you please tell me a little more about what's happening? What exactly is the issue you're experiencing?
Yes, so my laptop is not turning on.
I see your laptop isn't turning on. That can definitely be frustrating. Let's start by checking a few things. Is your laptop completely unreadable?
Okay, so honestly, I didn't like the voice is perfect, sure, but the delay, it was too long, honestly.
I must not fear. Fear is the mind killer.
I think this is a really nice way to just.
Hey, are you looking for a fresh and engaging voice for your podcast or social?
I think I must not.
Well, well. Look what we have here.
Hey guys, use this voice to express excitement. Describe.
A craftsman understands. That quality is in the details.
Hey guys.
Well, well. Look what we have here. A ranger caught off his guard. So what do you plan to...
Huh, what if I use this voice? Okay, so let me also log in the separate page. Because I remember I created an account some time ago, but the problem is that I'm not sure with which email. Let's see. Okay. So I'm logging in. Why is this one? Use another account. Shoot. This one. Passkey. Okay, continue. Okay, so I am logged in. I don't think I have any tokens here because I have never paid for 11 Labs. I just played with it a little bit. Sound effects. Oh, by the way, there are no sound effects in this. Okay, here it is. Marketing videos.
You think 3 times faster.
Let's see. See what we have here.
Than you type. You think
Come on.
You think 3 times faster than you type. A study found people speak at 150 words a
So it is better now.
A study found people when you type. A study found people speak at 150 words a minute. They type at 50. That gap is 60 minutes a day, $200 a week, $900 a month, $10,000 a year. Modern laptops are fast enough now. Local AI runs on device faster than the cloud without the subscription, without the surveillance. Press a hotkey. Speak. The polished text lands on your clipboard. 5 voice modes built in, plus your own in 30 seconds. No telemetry, no audio leaves your device. Vox runs locally on Mac and Windows. Vox, press, speak, paste, free for personal use. Mac OS and Windows.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And now I also want to add some. Is Vox done? Code review, okay, so and I don't have the application running, so yeah, old school. Okay, so maybe what can we do? Because I already kinda like it. Let's add, let's think, what should I add here? Voice, sound effects. Let's maybe add sound. Let's first finish with UI part. So we need UI transitions. I'm sorry, no, not UI transitions, but 3D effects. Let's maybe add some 3D effects to the Animations. Spin up an additional research agent who will look through the web on what to do best in this kind of marketing videos, and then do it. Okay, so we are very good at our limits, and yes, weekly models resets in 3 days, so it's less than half a week, so we should be fine there. With animations and graphics, okay, what did I ask it the last time? Domain, okay. Clean hexagon, no more crossing, you were right. Goals was a word connection, the calls, the outer dash, string, traversed nodes. Array wasn't in clock, okay. Vox cap positioning, fix the bug you spotted, that's 3 squares, okay. Intersection padding, okay. Hero, less empty space, links no longer on the divider. Okay, let's see, copy link. And let's test it. Okay, it is better now. Read on. Okay. Plate 3. Put in tools. Okay, mind. Vox, okay, yes, this one was fixed. Okay, one profile, yours. Okay, yes, now it does look good indeed. Okay, goals, relationships, artifacts, skills, wins, roles. A suit, not a Swiss army knife. Okay, speed, receipts, leverage, calm. The press. Yeah. It looks good indeed. Okay, and if I click here, we have Vox. If I click mind, Y, W. What if I remove HTTPS? I don't understand. I literally don't understand. Okay, if I open it in my other browser. So in my other browser, I can properly see it. So it seems like it is something with Firefox, maybe. I don't know. Okay, whatever. Okay, I do like it. So what it means? It means that we are going to create a pull request and merge it. And this one is finished working. Okay, so I can finally run Vox again. And where is the Vox here? Okay. Let's see. So it was definitely bad. Okay, so if I do this, let's see. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay, so I see an issue with this initial pill design because right now it is visible only first half of wave, main pill wave, and like lower half of it and top half of general pill. And what I actually want you to do, I want you to make sure that main pill, which is wavy, is always visible. And the second pill, which displays the mode, that it's actually not a separate pill, but something attached to the main pill at the bottom. And so it's like half a pill which goes or grows from the main one and then goes back, and not just disappears but disappears with some nice animation. Thank you. Okay, transcribing, okay, and polishing color is wrong. Also, I noticed that for the polishing mode, the flickering color is wrong. It is cyan, which actually cyan color is for transcription, and for polishing it should be purple. So find the proper color and apply it. Okay, so this one is working, but I wanted also to do something else. Ah, shoot. Okay, so I want you to create pull request and merge the pull request to the main, and also stop the separate localhost. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Oh, and I forgot to ask it to clean the work tree. Okay. Let's see. What's new in loop your sound effects, generating high quality formats. Opus, why do they call it Opus? Okay, whatever. Off 50. And I have 10,000 credits because I'm like default free or something. Okay, text to speech. No, so I want 11 v3. Most expressive text-to-speech model. Okay. Natural multi-speak dialogue. And let's see. So I wanted that voice which was storytelling or something. I shoot story.
No topo da montanha.
Oh, it's Portuguese. Ah, sorry. English. Only English.
Believe that voice that says for you.
Am I 24 male?
They say the stars shine brighter when a wish is true, and that night, one wish.
Success is writing the biggest.
Choose a voice that breathes life into your
Narration maybe? Narration.
What's up, guys? Welcome back.
That was 10 years ago. So now how does he see me? As a bro?
It is a season to reach out with kindness and
The shallow reefs are but a fraction of this enormous.
We ask ourselves, who am I?
Stop scrolling for.
Do not be afraid to ask, largely. It is.
Her mom's voice called from downstairs, but her mom had died 7 years ago. She turned.
In a world of noise.
Festivals light up the world with the color.
Greetings. I am here for. He swore he left before sunset.
The storm raged outside, but within the old library's walls, a forgotten book began to.
Just 6 weeks ago.
He swore he left before sunset. Yet somehow, the shadows reached home before.
Okay, so what if I go here to the main page and let's see, so it was narration. And okay, let me double check it.
I must not fear. Fear is the mind killer.
Okay, so I love this exact voice characters.
Well, well. Look what we have here. A ranger caught off his guard.
Oh,
so what do you plan
okay.
to do with
It
that
was
sword?
characters
Hey
which I
guys,
wanted.
Use this voice to.
Well, well.
So let me open
Look what
this
we
one.
have here.
Hey guys.
A craftsman understands.
Hey guys.
Well.
I must not fear.
Narration.
Fear.
Okay, and let's see. 2 years. Okay, language English. And also, can I somehow social media educational? Okay, let's see how to try it.
A business is only as successful as its people are happy.
Are you searching for a calm,
Alrighty there. 11 left.
The courage to start is the first step to succeed.
You ever surf with dolphins? Game changer. They just pop up out of nowhere. Smile. Who? Me? A criminal. Forget about it. I'm just a businessman with a little bit of an overactive violence.
In today's video, split-second reflex.
Like, oh my gosh, I'm totally the Valley girl you're looking for.
Hi, I'm Amanda Beans.
In the heart of every loyal dog lies a river of love.
You gotta be careful if you don't know where you're going, because you might not get there.
Amidst the market stalls and cobblestone streets, she discovered the true.
You tell the others. Tell them that this is the voice.
There's a kind of wonderful magic in doing absolutely nothing.
Family moments by the ocean create.
What is villainy, really? Is it villainy to take what you want? If so, then yes.
Bro, relax, man.
The desert don't lie. You can bury him.
Well, howdy there, folks. Now I may.
Oh, dearie dear. You look like you could use a batch of grandma.
I can teach you the shape of it.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry.
Well, howdy there, partner. Don't.
Zebras dance through dreams.
Here's the plan.
I'm the guy who thinks he's 158,000% smarter than you. And luckily, I'm happy to give you a.
Keep moving.
The gods watches over him now.
One of the advantages of being.
Okay, let's. Okay, what is it?
Hi, my name is Jerry.
Okay, so what this is? Edit. Can I sort somehow by. Okay, most users.
A business is only as successful as its people are happy. The courage to start is the first step to succeed.
Hot diggity dog! This looks like.
Captain Mark Stevens had been with the Tampa Police Department for almost 26 years.
Okay, maybe this one is relatively good one. What? Versal bot left some comment on PR. Okay, whatever. Okay, PR merged. Localhost stopped. The landing page changes are now live on main. Also, please delete the live workspace. Thank you. Not the live workspace. How to properly call it? No idea. The dedicated workspace. Thank you. And meanwhile, I will update. What was it? It was Ryzen. Vox. Good. Vox landing. Okay, here is Ryzen. And I will pull. Okay. So I want this to be gone. Yeah, work 3. It was not workspace, but work 3. Okay, this one is done. Okay, latest draft.
You think 3 times fast.
Let's see.
You think 3 times faster than you type. A study found people speak at 150 words a minute. They type at 50. That gap is 60 minutes a day, $200 a week, $900 a month, $10,000 a year. Modern laptops are fast enough now. Local AI runs on device faster than the cloud without the subscription, without the surveillance. Press a hotkey. Speak. The polished text lands on your clipboard. 5 voice modes built in, plus your own in 30 seconds. No telemetry, no audio leaves your device. Vox runs locally on Mac and Windows. Vox, press, speak, paste, free for personal use. Mac OS and Windows.
Okay, so what did it change? Because I honestly don't see any changes like at all. Let me some 3D effects. The question is if I can do anything better. And if I actually need to do anything better. Okay, so let's also add relevant relevant sound effects to all animations. Okay. 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 So let's take a look at narration. So this one was characters. And I filter, so maybe actually I can add it, I think.
Years and he'd seen just
yeah, I can add this one.
Well, well. Look what we have here.
Hot diggity dog!
Okay.
Well, well. Look what we have here. A ranger caught off his guard.
Oh, okay, so
what do you
this
plan to
one
do with
was the
that
main one. I like it too. And let's also filter not by character usage, but most users, for example.
The courage to start is the first step to succeed.
Captain Mark Stevens had been with the Tampa Police Department for...
The courage to start is...
Well, well.
The courage to... A business is only as successful as its... The courage to start.
Okay. Let's see these ones.
Jackson not only sounds great, he also communicates with feeling and intelligence.
La vida en sí es un...
Let's see, English. English and...
Sometimes it's the quiet moments that say the most.
Hi.
The most important part of...
Conformity is a powerful force.
Okay, let's apply our latest.
Life is like driving a car.
Nope. Most users trend in character usage.
Hi. I'm Amelia, a super...
No.
She never thought she'd ever see his face again.
No.
I wandered lonely as a cloud.
Jackson not only sounds great, he also
And here we have a calm, well-spoken narrator, full of intrigue and wonder, for nature, science.
I must not fear. Fear is the mind killer. Fear is the little death that brings total obliteration.
It is a profound truth that the deep things in science are not...
The people who are crazy enough to think they can... Sometimes it's the quiet moments that say the most.
Later that same evening, Detective Carlson received an anonymous tip directing her.
Conformity is a powerful force that can...
She tore her gaze away from her ruined footwear.
Embrace the possibility of a...
Crikey, isn't this year flying by?
Architecture is the thoughtful arrangement of space to uplift the spirit.
I must not fear.
It is a profound truth that the deep things in science are not found because...
The people who are crazy...
I wandered lonely as a cloud that...
Jackson not only sounds great.
She tore her gaze away from her...
Conformity is a powerful...
Your anger against every form...
Embrace the possibility.
Sometimes it's the quiet moments that say the most. A single breath between...
I know you'll find it hard to...
Sometimes it's the quiet moments that say the most. A single breath between words can turn a story into something you feel, not just hear.
Anyone who takes the time to listen.
Introducing the future of smart living, designed to simplify your day.
One band, one night only. Add this voice to your live concert radio promos and feel the thunder.
Okay.
Hey guys, use this voice to express
My name is Parker Springfield.
Companies like Google.
The stars of the glitter.
96.5, The Buzz, Houston's classic rock station for the city. Hey, it's Mark Phillips. Here's Aerosmith.
Let me know in the comment section below. This is the...
Need a voice for commercials? Then you are at the right place. Ranked as one of the top 10 voices in the world, I bring the creator story.
Did you know that there are a lot of amazing places to visit in Cancun?
The most important part of a project is this. Can the listener understand the speaker? Nothing else counts.
I think tonight's connection is a really...
World where AI voices sound like robots. One man makes it sound epic.
Men are disturbed not by things.
Have you ever wondered what moments could shatter a hero?
Communication is the bridge that connects.
Okay, I think that I selected everything I wanted to select. Let's now reload the page and let's see what do we have here.
That was 10 years ago.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to an all-new tech review. Today we will be checking out the new iPhone.
My voice is okay, these ones.
The most important part of a project is this.
Well, well. Look what we have here. A ranger caught off his guard.
Yeah, okay, so
what
I
do
want...
you plan to do with that sword? I'm going to guess nothing.
The multilingual with...
Yo, what's up, everybody? So I just hit up this new pizza spot, right? On like 3rd Ave. And let me tell you, it's a game changer. The crust, the sauce, the cheese. Unbelievable.
What's up, guys? Welcome.
The shallow reefs are but a fraction.
It is a season to reach out with kindness. That was 10 years ago. So now how does he...
We ask ourselves,
stop scrolling for 1 second. This is the part no one tells you about social media growth. If you're doing this...
He swore he left before sunset. Yet somehow, the shadows reached home before he did.
Okay, so this one says the same thing too. Okay, my voices. And again, I'll... Is it the one?
Well.
Yes, this is the one. So I will try with one. And I will finish it this morning because I need to finish the stream to get some very, very nice and tasty breakfast and prepare to my work day. Or actually, maybe I'll have to skip the breakfast. Yeah. Thank you and have a good day.